So estate planning for expats or Americans living overseas uh, can be complicated. If you think about estate planning as what it's designed for, which is a set of instructions for your assets, responsibilities, sense of legacy, you're now dealing with a second governmental agency in order to handle all of these things. You're not just dealing with California or whatever state you might be in. You're now dealing with a country that has their own rules, their own need for documentation. You also have customs issues going on. And so if you're a California citizen who's now living overseas, the first is, do you need to be working with a California attorney for some aspects of your estate plan? Sometimes, yes, right? If you have assets here by way of real property, if you have your bank account still here, if you plan on returning here, if your employer is located in California and that's why you left, then yes, then a California attorney would be a good idea. Regardless, also finding an attorney in whatever country you're in is going to be really important so that you understand how that country will handle issues where you can't act for yourself. What do they need by way of healthcare documents? What do they need to see by way of death documents? Does a trust work there? Is that a necessary a tool? Or is just a will really the way it all goes about? Also, checking in with the local consulate and seeing how they address your needs if you're incapacitated. Will the consulate step in and contact your family? Will they help with any visa issues? Will the consulate help with returning remains to the United States if that's your wish? And so you need to do a little bit more homework as an expat just to make sure that you're minding the local rules for how somebody manages your affairs if you're not.